So now we can write that g of x is now equivalent to what we have, 3, what was that? Oh, x cubed minus 4x squared, add 8x minus 8, yes, and that's equivalent to, we have our factor x minus 2, and by inspection we can see that x squared, minus 2x, add 4. You can verify this by clearing the brackets. And if you look at, if you check the determinant here, we know that this is not a linear function, and also we know that we are unable to factorize this quadratic any further. So our conclusion is that what we started with, so x to the 4th minus 3x cubed at 4x squared minus 8 is equivalent to our first factor, which is x, add 1, second x minus 2, and the quadratic x squared minus 2x, add, let's rewrite that here, x squared minus 2x, add 4. So that brings us to the end. So let's just recap. We started with f of x being this polynomial. We tested it using the factors of -8. We started with 1, then we moved to -1. So 1 did not give us the value 0. F of a was not 0, with a being 1, but f of -1 gave us 0, so we know that f add 1 is a factor. Then we factorized and took this and assigned it as g of x, and we went through the same process. We tried -1 again because that did work as a factor, so it could have worked again. But a as -1 failed again. Now we went on to 2 and noted that it does give us f of a g of a in this case, the value of 0. And then so we have that as a factor of what g of x was, which is x squared minus 4x squared at 8x minus 8. We factorized that and then showed the two factors, x add 1, x minus 2, and we're unable to find any linear factors of x squared minus 2x add 4. So finally, x to the 4th power minus 3x cubed add 4x squared minus 8 is actually equivalent to writing x add 2 times x minus 2 times x squared minus 2x add 4. And that's the factor theorem, which makes use of the remainder theorem. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you were able to follow. My name is Alistair. Any questions or comments are welcome. Please like, please follow, or subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye for now.